Hi there, this is Caesar, also known as WX82 on the UltraNote Discord, and I wanted to create a video about the latest version of the UltraNote wallet. And prior to going over the wallet itself, I wanted to go over the details of what UltraNote is, what the Sun coin is all about, and what it makes it outstand um, against other privacy coins or normal crypto coins. So as we can look here on the UltraNote website, there's a few details that pretty much let us know what UltraNote is all about. It says it's anonymous and untraceable network, instant private transactions. This is very important. CPU and GPU efficient and ASIC resistant mining. That is very important because having an ASIC resistant algorithm discourages ASIC development, allowing people that use GPUs and CPUs to mine the coin, and it evens the playing field for everyone to be able to mine. That is very important. It helps that it is a decentralized security and a wider coin distribution. That is very important, making sure that the coin gets evenly spread across a vast amount of users, as opposed to just allowing very few users to be able to have a successful mining experience. So this is very important. I think it's one of the things that we need to highlight on about UltraNote. The next details is wallet integrated mining and SHA-2048 encrypted IPFS files transfer. This is a very cool feature on the Sun coin, that it allows you to do messaging with attachments, and all of this, like it's mentioned here, it's SHA-2048 encrypted file transfer. So that's a very cool feature on the UltraNote coin. Another very cool feature on the wallet is a deposit. So here it shows deposit for interest up to 3% per year, and I think most of the current people that mine UltraNote are depositing all their Sun coins for that return of that 3% per year, which is a very cool bonus to have. And I haven't seen any other coin actually do this, which is a very, very unique feature. It's a very cool feature to be able to invest your coins back into the UltraNote ecosystem. So very important to go through this detail here. It says, what is UltraNote? UltraNote is much more than a privacy coin. It is a lifestyle facilitator and growing value storage solution. UltraNote ecosystem has been developed on top of cutting-edge CryptoNote blockchain technology, distinctively for unchallenged confidential transactions, as a true privacy platform using peer-to-peer encryption. What you do on UltraNote will always be your personal affairs. It is completely confidential, anonymous, and untraceable. On UltraNote, anyone, anywhere, and at any time can execute instant, borderless, private, and fund transfers, send encrypted instant messages with SHA-2048 encrypted files via the IPFS protocol, and deposit coins for 3% per interest per year. So right off the bat, there's a very good load of features that have been implemented with UltraNote, and there seems to be a lot more coming soon as well. I guess we are also, many of us are waiting for that mobile wallet that will be available soon. So very cool features that we can see that UltraNote has, that it's very rarely to see that in any of wallets for coins. And just to go over that, I wanted to go over how to go about getting your UltraNote wallet. For those that haven't gotten into crypto, have not tried this out before, it seems a little bit daunting, a little bit overwhelming to do these kind of steps, but it's actually a very easy to follow process with UltraNote. You can start mining directly from the wallet that you install on your computer. So the first step that you need to do is, when you go to the UltraNote site, ultranote.org, you go into the wallet area by clicking on the wallet button there. It will just scroll you down to the exact area where you can download the wallet. The version that we are looking at today is the version 1.0.25-beta. So once you download this file to your computer, basically, let me put that on screen. What you will have is a zip file, and that zip file, you want to extract the files within that zip file. So once you extract the files, you will have all the files that come with the wallet. All you have to do here is you want to make sure you download or you launch the UltraNote wallet app executable. Now, the first time around, you might receive a message that you can't run the file directly. On my case, I had to go to properties and make sure there was a unblock button here because it's a file that you're downloading from the internet. So generally that may happen with applications on Windows. So you may want to click on the unblock button that you receive in this area, and then you can click on OK. After that, the wallet should launch as normal. And once it launches, okay, so the first screen that you see on the UltraNote wallet is the basic dashboard. It's an overview of what is going on with transactions and your current balance on the wallet that you have currently loaded to the UltraNote wallet application, and also the deposits that you may have for that specific wallet. So those are the first details that you get on the overview tab. The next one is one of those cool features that we talked about before, where you can deposit any of the coins that you have on your wallet. You can deposit them for a certain amount of time, a certain amount of height, block height that you want those coins to be deposited. Now, again, the what is mentioned is that you get a 3% interest per year for those deposited coins. So it's a very good idea to deposit coins that you just want to make sure you hold on to and make them a secure investment with the deposit feature. So that is one of those really awesome features that the UltraNote wallet has. The next two tabs have to do with sending and receiving coins. So sending coins, you can send them to anyone on your address book. So you can select an address and send them any amount of coins that you want to send out. And as well, you can add recipients. Also, you can add a message if necessary as well. So those features are there for you to send out coins. And if you want to receive coins, here is the address that you can share with anyone, as well as a QR code that can be shared as well. Here you can also gather your private key. If you need that documentation, you can always pick it up from there as well. So make sure to keep those in a very safe place. The next is the send invoice. This is a very cool feature also on UltraNote, and it is one of those features that we may see getting used more and more often. The more usage UltraNote starts gathering, the more momentum of user, the greater the user base, the greater amount of people will start looking into using such feature, where you can send an invoice, which is a message that will contain an amount of XUN that you are requesting, and you can use that for payment purposes. A very cool feature that is already being implemented. So it's very nice. It's good to see that all these type of functionality ideas of how you can go about using UltraNote are already being thought of and already being implemented into the software, and there we will see also improvement upon these type of features as well. So it's a very good to see that there's already the ecosystem is already being thought of thoroughly, as opposed to just giving you a send and receive function. There's more functions at hand that are being added that are going to they seem to be very future proof from what I can see here. Another tab that we have here is transactions. So transactions is anything that's coming in, going out of your UltraNote wallet. Messages is an archive of all the messages that you have received, again, inbound and outbound. Send messages allows you to send as it states, messages using the UltraNote blockchain. You can send them to any specific wallet that you have on your address book, or any wallet that you add to this field. You can add your encrypted message, and the very cool thing about this is adding attachments. You can actually add attachments that get sent over, again, via the blockchain. Very cool feature that that's already been implemented, and it's very cool to use. It's already been able to send out some files directly from the blockchain. It works really well. Secure, a very secure feature for those that have security in mind as a top priority. Here we also have the address book, so very cool to know that you can manage any addresses that you will constantly be contacting. This is already added into the system. And then the rest of the features, your mining, search, and browser, are very cool to have implemented in the software, where mining allows you to start mining for Sun coins directly from the wallet. There's no need to go out, unless if you are a more advanced user, you already have become familiarized with probably downloading and running XMR stack or XMRig, any of those type of applications. You can definitely you can do that, run those applications to do your mining. But this is very cool that you already have the solution to mining from within the wallet. Makes it really easy, really quick to start mining. So basically here, all you need to choose is one of the servers that are already available. So you have a low end, medium, or high end computer, and based on that you can start mining. You choose the amount of cores that you want to run with, and then you start mining, and that's basically it. At this point, if we leave our computer here, if you do idle your computer a lot, this is a very cool way to start mining and making use of that idle time that you have on your computer. So very cool to see that this feature is already in the software. So this is a very cool way to start mining if you haven't done so before. So I see why no reason as to why you would not start mining UltraNote if it's so easy to do so. This is basically a matter of downloading the UltraNote wallet, and then you can start mining once you have your wallet set up. Just please make sure that you save all your details about your wallet, because the last thing you want to do is lose any of those details. So you don't want to lose access to your wallet. The next few features, such as the search and the browser, are new features that are currently being implemented, where you have UltraNote search, anonymous search directly from the wallet, that you can do searches. You can do your queries here for web related queries. So this is a search function that is being added directly to the wallet. I believe this is also web-based on the UltraNote site. If I'm not mistaken, you can find this search as well there, but it's also built in. This anonymous search is built in directly from the wallet, as well as the Tor dark web access as well. So this is very cool that you actually have access to the deep web directly from the wallet. This is probably one of those features that I think no one actually thought that we would be getting. It's a very cool plus that we have this on the wallet itself. So these are the latest features that are being implemented, and I know that they are currently working on just improving these items. So that is the latest features on the UltraNote wallet. Again, just the overview, your deposits, your send and receive, also sending invoices, transactions that you have done, your message queue, sending messages directly from the software, again with the SHA-2048 encryption, with your attachments securely being sent to your recipients, your address book, mining directly from the wallet, the anonymous search engine, and the deep web browser. Okay guys, so this is my quick review of the latest UltraNote wallet. If you have any questions, you can always join our UltraNote Discord channel. I will leave the details on the description below. Thank you again.